Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can change account location on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, first thing first, we're going to open up our Roblox app that we have installed. We're going to go ahead, open it up, and now since we would like to change the location to any other location, what we'll have to do is we have to contact the support of the Roblox itself. So go ahead, tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner, and then scroll and tap on the settings icon. Now you will find this kind of interface. Then from over here, you're going to scroll and tap on this option of help and safety right over given. Then you can tap on this option of help over here, and you're going to go ahead, you can simply search a reason, or you can simply go back from over here if you can find the article help. Otherwise, tap on violation and appeal. Once you go here, you will be able to find a form to fill with your worry. Go ahead, add in your account's information and issue details as well, and then add in the text in the description saying that you would like to change your location, and then they will let you know what they can do further for them to help you out. That is it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.